This is our guided meditation for kids flip chart. You are absolutely going to love this. This is chock full of not only ideas, but practices that you can put into place, whether you're in a classroom or a resource room. Let's take a look at what's inside. The first thing we see here is our table of contents. This comes with 34 pages of different activities for you to do. And we also have them color-coded so you know which type of meditation you're doing. We're going to spin it around. Here are some meditation tips. I suggest you go over this with the kids first, and then let's get straight into it. You can see one side has type with a ghosted out picture, and the other side is the full picture. So this is how you would use it with your students. You would show the picture, and then you would start reading it. Let's just do a little bit of this one called open listening. You're going to assume your meditation posture or pose. You may be more comfortable sitting, standing, lying down, or walking. It's your choice. You might choose to have your eyes open or closed. Let's start here. This meditation is called open listening. Begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly and gently letting the deep breath out. Just relax. And then it says repeat as needed. So you can see as a teacher or the adult in the room, you will be able to guide kids through with this chart. The other thing I want to show you back here, let me find it, is that we have different yoga poses. So this is called Balance Yoga Flow. So you can see we have real photos of the Balance Yoga Flow for the students to follow or even for adults to follow. Practicing yoga and meditation is going to make for a calm and awesome school year.